Neighbors, a lot of you guys have been sending us Instagram pictures of your Hansik set A and B. Amazing. So now I got like really motivated to do C. Katie, we're not finished with the video. You're already here? This is out of the ordinary. Are you gonna help us cook today?
Yes, I'll be your sous chef today.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
We're gonna do Korean style braised ribs, and we're gonna add a little bit of strawberry jam to it. And it's gonna make it nice and sticky and sweet and salty. And
Yummy!
for the sides, what do you think, Katie? What are you craving?
We need some veggies.
Maybe we do some stir-fried onions.
Yeah, sounds good.
I don't know why we're pretending like we don't know what we want to do. We know exactly what we do. What's the
And
second
then
thing?
maybe I'm craving some 계란찜.
Oh, maybe you're craving it. We're doing 계란찜, y'all.
Up your acting skills, Daniel.
All right, we're starting right now. All right, we have some baby back pork ribs. Pick out some good ones with a good amount of meat on it. Use 1 kilo, or for my American friends, around 2.2 pounds worth. Just go with 2 pounds. So from the market, these things have been cut with the bandsaws. So there's gonna be little bone fragments. And plus, we wanna get a little bit of that porky, gamey smell out of the meat. Fill this up with a little bit of water. Just enough till it's submerged. Now, if you have some Korean doenjang, this is perfect. Just add in about a spoon's worth. That's all you need. If you boil it with doenjang, that gamey smell just flies away. It's very effective. Now, if you don't have doenjang, but you still want to make this, of course, add in a few dashes of mirin, a few bay leaves, a few slices of ginger, and just boil it, and it'll do the same. Katie bought this glass pot, and I'm really digging it. It's kind of retro. All right, and then we'll wait till it comes to a boil. The secret ingredient today is strawberry jam. Yes, any ordinary strawberry jam. 3 tablespoons. This is going to give it that sweetness plus stickiness. Oh my gosh, I need 3. Is this going to get me 3? Where are you? That's a little bit shy, but it's 3 tablespoons. Then equal amount of soy sauce. So let's do 3 tablespoons. We need some mirin. Let's do 2 tablespoons. Mirin is rice cooking wine. And then we're going to use some apple juice. I told you I'm going to use very accessible ingredients today for this delicious ribs. Let's put a 1/4 cup in. Woo! Then we're going to need a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now let's do 6 or 7 cracks of black pepper. Let's mix this baby up. Get that strawberry jam, and we want that to thicken up this sauce. And you see we added no sugar into this marinade. It's already in there through... Oh my gosh. Now once it comes to boil, you're going to see a little lagoon of residual scum. Stay away from that unless you want special powers. We can scoop this off, and then we're going to put this through a strainer. Empty this out. You've done your job, doenjang. Oh, I got doenjang steam in my face. All right, guys, first things first, I'm going to use a wide frying pan so it has a lot of surface area and we can get everything coated. The most important thing is here, you want a medium-low, erring on the side of low, because we don't want that soy sauce to burn. All right, so that looks good. Put our ribs in. I want you to spread them out. Mix our sauce, and I want you to put around 2/3 of the sauce in. We're going to save the other third for the end. Put a lid on it and give it around 5 minutes, and that's when that sauce is going to start to reduce. With the lid on, there's steam and it goes back into the broth. Perfect timing. That's 5 minutes. Open this up. Wow, take a look. Guys, give them a flip so you get a nice good color. Once that's flipped, let's put this back on and set a timer for 3 minutes. Keep your eye on the clock. Again, you guys should be in between a low and medium-low heat. Slow, slow. Guys, after the 3 minutes, you're going to see the soy sauce start to thicken up like this. Wonderful. We can give these guys another flip. All right, starting to color up. This looks beautiful. Wow, look at the color on these guys. Amazing. Don't forget, we got extra sauce. Put that in now. Add more liquid into the pan. That extra third. Give it a gentle mix. And then from here, just take a look and see which ones needs more coloring. Give them a flip so that they get that nice barbecue color all over. No need to put on the lid again. That sauce is starting to thicken up again. And once you start to see the bubbles getting big, we're almost done. Take a look at our baby back ribs. Braised Korean style. All right, neighbors, that's it. I'm going to turn off the heat here. There's still residual heat in the pan. Let's step back really quick. There's one cooking note that I want to stress. It's that the soy sauce marinade will burn quickly. Like, look at this video right here. That's when you want to turn off the heat and take it out. That's because the soy sauce marinade will continue to cook and darken from the residual heat. If you try to go for that charred look that you see in American barbecue, I guarantee you're going to burn the soy sauce and you're going to be a grumpy person stomping around the house, being all loud and all. Take the ribs out before they get that charred look. All right, Katie, here you go. The thing is, in our house, you have to eat ribs with your hands. No chopsticks, please. Katie, 오늘 예쁘네. I'm saying this just for insurance so that you say it's tasty.
Oh my god.
It's good. Let me show us that. Show us that meat. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love this marinade. Oh my god.
All right, I need to go in for one too. Ooh, it's so hot. All right, while Katie's munching away, I'm gonna make our second onion stir fry. We're going to use 3 whole onions, slice them up into thin pieces. Katie, I told you to wait.
It got unleashed. I can't stop it.
Your appetite got unleashed. Let's put this on a medium heat. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Once that garlic is going, stir, baby, stir, stir, stir. Then we're gonna put 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce so we can get some coloring. Come on. Then half a teaspoon, that small tea of sugar, a teaspoon of sesame oil. Once they turn soft, these are delicious. Just take a look at this. We'll take a bite. Wonderful. It's amazing. Of course, for your eyes, we're going to add in a little bit of green. Add this delicious onion towards our bowl. Yeah. We'll wipe off the side of the bowl. Put a little bit more of our greens on, right in the middle. There is our onion panchan. Delicious. For panchan too, we're gonna do a nice salad, but you don't need no video to show you how to make a salad. But I will show you the ratio on how to make a delicious oriental dressing. This is really good. Just 1 clove of garlic. Then let's do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Do 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Then in Korea we have something called yeon gyeoja. If you already don't have this in your refrigerator, go with wasabi. Just a little bit of wasabi adds just the right amount of kick. Come out, wherever you are. And we just need a small amount, maybe something like that. But Daniel, I can't find this, or I don't have wasabi. All right, then just skip both. And then let's mix our elixir. It'll remind you of like Korean barbecue salad, somewhere between that and oriental dressing. I'll put this on our dining table. All right, now we're gonna switch hands to Katie's lovely hands, and she's gonna finish us off with 계란찜.
Find a bowl to cover and have enough room for it to rise. So we're gonna crack 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, same portion of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt in. And then let's whisk it up. And then we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of water in and a tablespoon more. That way it's 100 milliliters. Do another whisk. Pour all this into our tukbaegi. Bring it up to a medium heat. Keep stirring and see if it's sticking to the side. Just bring the eggs inward. Yeah, you know we've done this 계란찜 a few times and there's actually multiple ways to cook 계란찜. So yeah, try this one out and let us know how you like it. After a few minutes, you're gonna start to see some curds forming. You know, fall is a great time to go out camping, and this is a great recipe to try outdoors too. Alright, it's starting to set, as you can see. Put this to a low heat, greens in, cover it up with our bowl. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're gonna smell the egg in the air. You'll notice it. Whoa! Smells really good. Just a dab of sesame oil all around. It smells so good, and you know, like just when it starts to smell a little bit burnt, that's like a perfect timing. And some seeds. Can you guys smell it? There are some restaurants that spray a sprinkle of Korean red chili pepper like this. So we're gonna try that here too. Our food is ready!
Alright, and now we have some brown rice here. By the way, we're gonna do a little episode on how to do brown rice perfectly soon. Go in with that egg. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Take a look at our ribs. Our eggs are on standby to mix in with the rice. We have some of our onions, brought out some fresh kimchi, as well as a little bit of those chili peppers. And then now let's mix in our salad. Beautiful. Wow, I've been waiting all this time for this bite. These ribs, I'm telling you, this is something to write home about. Guys, let's move on to our eggs. Build this in a little bit. Absolutely perfect. The seasoning is on point. Of course, get a little bit of our onions. You can put that over the eggs as well. And chase everything down with a little bit of fresh lettuce, of course. You gotta get those fresh greens in.
It's so soft and like 고소해.
The seasoning's just right too. I told you
And
that.
it's so fluffy. There's so much like cushion.
All right, I'm gonna try to weasel my way in here if Katie lets me in here. That, my friends, is Setsi. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, this one is wonderful. Bon appetit. 맛있게 드세요.
맛있게 드세요.
Adios.
감사합니다.